I'm Stephen from NetAsk.com and today I'm going to teach you how to build an email list in 2024. Fast, because everybody wants to do things fast, man. Like, the attention span in this fucking year is crazy. 6-second videos on TikTok, 8-second reels on Instagram. It makes no sense. Anyway, back to the point. Why do you want to build an email list? If you can't answer that, you don't have to answer to me, you have to answer to yourself. So when you have that reason for why you want to build one, you can continue to the next step. Which is our first point, and that is to create a great lead magnet for them to sign up on your email list. Think about it. Why would you, literally you, right now, would actually subscribe to my YouTube channel? I'm not begging for it, I don't care. You can subscribe if you don't. I do this shit for fun anyway, for free. But if you were to subscribe, you do it because you want to gain some value out of my content. Videos from my teaching, from my tips, something that will help you become a better intermarketer. And that's the whole thing that you have to keep in mind when building your email list. Whatever the niche, whatever the category, it can be gardening, bodybuilding, bunnies, whatever, man. You have to give them something that's valuable enough for them to enter their email address and subscribe to your email list. Without that, without the bait, then the whole thing is useless, you know? So figure out what it is that you can give them and make it something of value, make it something meaningful. Don't just get the fucking free or $3 PLR ebook from the internet and just give them to them. Rate that shit yourself, man. Use ChatGPT, use all the resources that we have in 2024. Like, it's crazy how easy it is today to create something that can give users value. Two, on how to build an email list fast, is optimize your opt-in forms. The opt-in forms, the most important things that you can have on your email landing page. Because without it, then obviously there will be no way for them to enter their email address. So you want to make sure to personalize that enough and make it good enough for them to see and subscribe. Use placeholders like your email address and the button, make it a nice call to action button that it's not something boring like subscribe or join. Make it useful. Download my free book, download the guide, get access to my secret laboratory where I show you how to build chickens. I don't know, man. Just don't make it boring. You can use subscribe, okay, whatever, like download, it's okay. But make sure to A/B test them. A is one version and B is the other version, and see if the more creative one gains you more subscribers. Okay? Also about opt-in form, you have to place them where it matters. Like if you have a blog, then obviously on your sidebar, on every article they will see subscribe to my newsletter. Gain more tips, gain more value. Whatever you say, have it in your sidebar, okay? You add it inside your article posts. At the top, either at the bottom, in between paragraphs, somewhere you have to add it, right? Don't overdo it. I see so many sites and blogs out there that they have like 5 different opt-in forms in one article, you know? I mean, that just screams scammy and spammy to me, you know? So if you're creating a landing page especially for email newsletter, then yeah, you just need one, and make sure it's above the fold, like whatever device your user is using, whether it's mobile, desktop, whatever, they have to see the form, they have to be able to subscribe immediately without searching for it, you know? You have the headline, a short description in your form, and that's it. Step number 3 is to use social proof. Social proof is something to show to your readers or the users of your website that you're not just somebody, you are someone. People like you, people trust you, people like and comment on your stuff on Instagram or Facebook, or I don't know, man, people buy stuff from you. People said, oh man, Stephen, your fucking guide is so fucking great, it changed my life. Use those on a landing page. The conversion rate and the opt-in rate is going to go through the roof because people like to do what other people are doing. It's that simple, it's that easy. It's been like this since the Middle Ages. You see your neighbor having a big house, you want a big house. You see them having a BMW, you want a BMW. Why not, right? So use social proof if you have it. If you don't, I don't recommend you fake it, because in this day and age it's so easy to just say, hey, this guy is awesome, and put a fucking fake AI made image on it. So I see so many of those things on landing page all the time. But if you want to go that route, fine, it's your choice, right? I've done shadier things, so yeah. Anyway, step number 4 on how to build an email list fast in 2024, use paid ads. I have the most insane article about cheap website traffic. It's number 1 in Google, man. Google, cheap website traffic. That's it, number 1. You're gonna see it, nethustle.com. And in there I have like 20 different ad networks where you can go and spend your money and get traffic to your landing page. Most of them, all of them, including fucking Google, has bot traffic. It is what it is, man. It's 2024. We have bots, we have AI shit, we have people clicking their own ads. It is what it is. No one is safe. Not even Google ads, not even Facebook ads, Bing ads, whatever. You have clickjackers, click bombers, your competition, people that just want to fucking gain money out of nowhere and they just click on their own ads. So don't just go, oh man, so much money spent on nothing. Yeah, okay man, maybe 30% is fake. Who cares? Utilize the other 70% and make something out of it, right? So go to my blog and write in Google cheap website traffic. I'm going to link it below, and see a ton of networks where you can go and buy cheap advertising in 2024 to build your email list. Step number 5, you can use a webinar or a free training or a free course, whatever. Webinar is different than a free ebook that you can give away because it's not that scammy, you know? People are used to enter email to get this free ebook for like 30 years now. Since I was born in the 90s, people are doing the same squeeze page over and over again. Want to lose fat? Enter your email. Check out 7 secrets on how to lose fat in my free ebook. Download now. You have to have a great fucking ebook or guide or something in order to gain a ton of subscribers. Like webinar is more, I don't know, it looks a bit more upmarket, a bit more technical, a bit more smarter, a bit more trusty, you know, because all the TED Talks and all the, I don't know, just in my head, maybe I stupid. Probably am anyway, but yeah. So if you have a webinar and you have a great training that you can give away for free, make a landing page, tell people they will subscribe and they will enter their email and their name. It is just something else that you can try in order to boost your conversion rate, right? Step number 6 on how to build an email list fast in 2024, 2025, 2026. Nobody knows if you are going to reach 2026, right? Do you know? Can you be sure? Nobody knows, man. Just got me. Social media, man. I'm not really a social media guy. Sometimes I run ads on Facebook and stuff like that, okay, but I just don't like to build pages and followers and post all the time. Sure, you can automate that, obviously. If you like to do that, fine, it's okay. Everybody has their own thing, right? So if you have a great social media page, use it. Create a contest. That's a great fucking way to get subscribers in 2084. Use Gleam.io or some other type of something like that. Create a contest, enter your email, subscribe to my page, click like on my post, share with friends, tag your friend in the comments, all that shit. It works, bro, it works. Trust me. Don't trust me, fuck it. But it works, try it out. Give away $10 Amazon gift card, an iTunes card, a Google Play card, I don't know, man, give something away. If you have a product, give it away. Fine, for free, one. What's the worst I can have? I gave 22 t-shirts away. So yeah, do it. And by using social media, you can then go back to our first, I don't know which step was, 3 I think, I don't know, we use social proof. Then you get social proof and then you can use that shit on your landing page, right? So it's a win-win thing. You gain users from the social media and then you get social proof from social media. And then you put your landing page and you win. At life, I don't know, probably, but you still win something, right? Okay, now see the next step. I'm going to be honest with you. I never really done it. So, have to use influencers or partners that you can use to promote your stuff. Give someone on Instagram $30, hey man, create a post about my free product, give them $30 to that page, maybe 50, I don't know. There are sites out there where you can go and buy influencers and try it, right? I mean, I haven't tried, but there are fucking kids making money promoting stuff on Instagram. Fucking kids. There are owners who have pets and their pets have Instagram pages and the fucking pet makes money for their owners by promoting a fucking product. I guess it works, right? So go ahead and try it too. If you don't have enough money to pay for ads, maybe you can try influencer ads, search on Google. I don't know, I can't recommend any product, any service because I haven't used it before. So there are platforms out there where you can buy influencer posts and shoutouts and stuff like that. So you can start out cheap like $10, $20, $30 per shoutout and then see if you can scale up or down. It's up to you, it's just another way to promote stuff on social media without creating a social media page or without paying for social ads because man, those are expensive and kind of, okay. Man, I'm tired. I don't know why. Anyway, the last step, segmentation. If you don't know what it is, it's okay, I'm going to teach you. Email segmentation is basically where you split your newsletter into different parts based on what the subscribers sign up for. For example, on my website on nethustle.com I have like 2 or 3 different segments, right? One which is the main email newsletter where if you sign up I give you tips and intermarketing news, post new articles. And I have another one where I get people who want to build a blog or an internet business, and then they still go to the same NetHustle big email list, but they are in their own segment, which is they are just starting out right now on how to start a website or a blog. So then you can have a third one or a fourth one, or you can have many segments, man. And the third one is I have another special page where I promise to give them something if they subscribe, an ebook or something like that, and then I just send them the link with the ebook. So based on their segment, then I send them different emails and different content to all of them, but they all work together in the same NetHustler email list. So based on their segment, you use that when you create your opt-in forms and your list. You have to go to your, I don't know which service I use. I use Email Octopus right now. And almost all the main one, the Webber, GetResponse, everybody has those, right? MailChimp. In the end, we finally reach it. Fuck it. I hope it's not 10 minutes. I don't want to be another YouTuber that makes 10 minutes videos out of 3 minutes of content. Go out there, create an email list, give something of value. Without it, then you are toast, man. You're wasting time and money. But most importantly, test. You have to test everything. You have to A/B test everything. A small change in the color of your button, the subscribe button, can increase or decrease your conversion rate like crazy. One small change can make a big difference. Change the headline, change the image, change the text on the email opt-in form, right? Change the CTA, the call to action. Change the whole landing page structure, the whole format. Take out things. Take out the menu. You don't want people clicking on the menu when you want them to subscribe, right? See what else you can do and test it out. But be careful not to change too many things all at once and then you don't know what worked and what didn't work. So change one thing, maybe two, give it like a week or two, send traffic to it if you're using paid ads, and then see if it's worth to stick with the new change or go back to the old ones, right? And yeah, let me know what other tips you have in the comments down below, or don't. Just go out there and try it out for yourself and make it happen, man.